Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you are doing amazing. Today I'm gonna pick up my package, so let's go. So this is the package that I pick up today. So let's find out. This is just few things. This is just sugar. This sugar is monk fruit with organic erythritol sugar replacement. So this is, and this one is, so it's the same monk fruit sweetener, the same, just different brand. And this one is organic coconut sugar. So it has low calories, like almost zero. Yeah, only 25 calories. So, and these two, it has 0 calories. So very healthy. What is this one? Oh, these are oil. And this one is the guasha stone, jade guasha, because my guasha was, I dropped it, so it's already damaged and I need a new one. It's magnetic. Okay. And let's see. Oh, it seems nice. Oh, this is great. It's much better than my old one. It seems great. So I'm gonna start using this tonight. Oh, this is very tight. Okay, this one. This is by Beauty by Earth. And this one is argan oil. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna apply this on my face. I can also apply it on my hair. When I am using the gua sha stone. So I'm gonna apply argan oil, and this one is castor oil. They wrap it they wrap it properly. Like, now I'm gonna break it. Okay. They sealed it. It is like 236 ml castor oil, so I can also apply it on my face and of course in my eyelashes and eyebrows. These are organic oil. So I've only got all these things, and this sugar is 50 shekel. I'm gonna put it on the screen how much it costs, and I hope this coconut sugar tastes good. It's also expensive, and this one, so this has a good it has a good review on Iherb. So this one now, this one, it has a good review on Iherb, so I'm gonna try it. So that's all I've got. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see ya.